This is POCO F5, and today I would like to show how you can set up parental controls for this device. So to start, you will need to launch Settings, then enter the passwords, or actually the accounts and sync category. After that, remove all Google accounts that you have, if you have any to begin with. Then get back to the main settings page, enter Google category this time, onwards go for the parental controls, get started, child or teen, next. Now log into your child's Google account. Once the account was successfully signed into, select it from the list over here and enter the credentials for another Google account, this time belonging to you as a parent, or simply sign in the Google account you're going to use to supervise your child activity. Then you will be forwarded to the About Supervision page. Over here at the very bottom, input the child's Google account password once again, then hit the Agree button, onwards allow the supervision, and wait for the parent and child accounts to get linked. In my case, something went wrong. Let's retry a bunch of time and see if that will fix the issue. Alrighty, and well, yep, as you can see, the parental controls were actually enrolled. The procedure itself glitched, but it was finished. At this point, all these steps that you would have had going forward, they were insignificant, so you might as well wanted to skip them anyways. So now take your parental device and download the Family Link app from the Play Store. That is, well, the app that you will use to supervise your child. Once the app is ready, you will need to launch it, obviously. Then make sure to sign in with the parental Google account. And inside the app, you have an access to a whole lot of controls, such as setting up the daily usage limits or downtime routine for a child's device, controlling and managing your child's app activity and app exposure in general, as well as monitoring their app activity. Then you can apply content restrictions and age filters. You can as well configure your child account settings, manage devices, monitor your child's location, and see the child's device usage highlights. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.